Matte black and charcoal. Matte black is a pure black color with no shine or gloss. It's a very deep, rich black, but with a flat, non-reflective surface. Because it does not have glossy shining, it appears softer compared to glossy or shiny black. The shade is dense, absorbing light rather than reflecting it. It causes feeling of sophisticated, modern, understated, and elegant. It is popular in minimalistic, industrial, or contemporary design style because it looks sleek without glare. Why are these darker shades are trendy in 2025? Because they cause a depth of versatile and grounding, adds depth without overwhelming. Common in modern industrial rustic
dive deeper into how colors affect our mood, behavior, and interior design choices, make sure to check out my other videos focused entirely on color psychology.
of blues and muted pastels. Light, gentle shades of blue that feel airy, calm, fresh, and clean promotes a peaceful and open vibe. Timeless, enhances light and space, pairs well with whites, woods, and metallics, works with coastal, Scandinavian. Minimal styles. Warm, terracotta, and rust. Earthy, reddish orange tone, inspired by natural clay. Rich and warm, but not overpowering. Pairs beautifully with woods, brass, and matte black, adds a Mediterranean or desert modern touch. Ideal for accent wall, tiles, or cabinetry. Strong, earthy, and dramatic, works well with textured finishes and raw materials, feels handcrafted, aged, and soulful. Two-tone cabinets. A kitchen design where upper and lower cabinets or island and wall cabinets are finished in different colors or materials. Dynamic, layered, and visually interesting. Adds depth and contrast. Why trendy in 2025? Reflects personalized and balanced boldness. People want unique kitchens that still feel harmonious. It breaks visual monotony, often pairs light upper like white or cream with darker lower like navy, forest green or charcoal. Enhances spatial perception. Light colors lift, dark colors ground. Works across styles. Modern, farmhouse, traditional, and more.